Presenting Boult Audio UFO True Wireless in-ear earbuds. It is available in UFO Black Gloss, UFO Smoky Metal, and UFO White Opal color variants. This earbuds offers 48 hours of playtime and 120 hours of standby time. The 13mm drivers ensure you'll never miss a shot, while the rich bass audio drivers enhances the overall musical sensory experience to make these Boult earbuds the greatest in the game. You can elevate your gaming experience with Bluetooth earbuds featuring an ultra-low latency of just 45 milliseconds, ensuring seamless synchronization between audio and visuals. Comes with an IPX5 rating to protect from water and splash. Powered by Bluetooth 5.3 and latest Bluetooth technology, you can immediately begin streaming music from your devices. Now you can immerse yourself in gaming glory with dynamic breathing LEDs on the Boult earbuds. These vibrant lights sync with your gaming rhythm, creating a visual spectacle that enhances your gaming experience. Engineered with quad mic AIINC, you can seamlessly communicate with 4 advanced environmental noise cancellation microphones. This ensures crystal clear, interference-free calls, catering to professionals and daily conversationalists alike.